What you should be doing now to protect yourself from cell phone radiation. It's hard for most of us to imagine what our lives would be like without cell phones. For all its oft-debated vices, no one can deny cell phones have made our lives a lot more manageable. Here is a list of things you should be doing now to protect yourself from cell phone radiation. Number 1. Use speakerphone. Your cell phone emits electromagnetic waves directly near your head when you hold it up to your ear. The farther that you can keep your phone away from your head, the safer you will be. Number 2. Text more, talk less. Sometimes, there is no way you can avoid talking on the phone, and that is okay. During emergencies and many other situations, talking on the phone is necessary. The key to minimizing radiation damage is to identify situations when a text will suffice and use those opportunities in favor of your safety. Number 3. Use a hands-free headset with a ferrite bead. When talking on the cell phone, your voice travels via the antenna in the form of radiofrequency radiation, the exposure to which is also increasingly harmful. A hands-free device significantly reduces radiofrequency radiation to the head, according to a 2003 study published in Radiation Research. Number 4. Do not use the phone in remote areas. When you are in a remote area, your phone has limited to no access to cellular towers. Therefore, when you attempt to make a phone call from the middle of nowhere, your phone emits excess radiation trying to catch signals to send your call through. This ends up exposing you to hazardous radiation. Number 5. Activate airplane mode or turn off your phone. Put your cell phone in airplane mode to limit contact and consequent radiation exposure whenever you can. You can also choose to turn off your phone to protect yourself from unwanted radiation when you have no choice but to carry your phone in your pocket or if you are sleeping with it next to you. If you like the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and please share with friends.